Have you ever imagined yourself piloting a vehicle capable of traveling around the planet more than 20 times without failing? It may seem like a distant dream, but there are engines that defy the laws of physics and break durability records like true living legends. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of diesel engines, exploring the 20 most reliable and robust diesel engines ever made. Prepare to be amazed by stories of unbeatable power and unmatched resistance. You won't believe which engine takes the coveted first place in our ranking. We start our list at number 20, Mercedes-Benz OM617. Produced since 1974, the Mercedes-Benz OM617 is a 5-cylinder diesel engine that has become a true icon of durability, a true legend on the roads, known for its robustness and unbeatable performance. With direct injection technology and an unbeatable cast iron block, the OM617 is designed to withstand extreme conditions. It is a perfect example of engineering that guarantees power and longevity with each activation. Did you know that many OM617 engines easily exceeded 1 million kilometers? True road warriors, they have earned the trust of drivers around the world with their incredible endurance. So reliable that it's still a hit in many classic vehicles today. The OM617 is a testament to what an exceptional engine means: durability and reliability that lasts through the decades. At number 19, Cummins B5.9. The Cummins B5.9, adopted in several heavy vehicles since the 80s, is a true icon of durability. Think of an engine that has won the trust of truck drivers for decades. This is him. With a simple and robust design, the B5.9 features a cast iron block. This tough construction ensures it can withstand the harshness of the road, hassle-free. Imagine an engine that can exceed 600,000 km with adequate maintenance. The B5.9 is known for its reliability and eliminating worries on long journeys. The performance of the Cummins B5.9 is so legendary that many carriers make modifications to extract even more power. After all, it's not just an engine. At number 18, Toyota 1HZ. The Toyota 1HZ is a 6-cylinder engine that has won the hearts of off-roaders since the 90s. With its robustness, it has become a true icon among lovers of adventure and speed. Built with an iron block and aluminum heads, the 1HZ is designed to challenge tough terrain. It is the perfect choice for those looking for strength and resistance on each journey into the unknown. This engine is so reliable that it reaches an impressive 500,000 kilometers, facing extreme conditions without breaking down. A true machine that refuses to stop, even in the worst situations. Owners call it their trusty tractor, an engine that never lets them down in the toughest times. At number 17, Ford Powerstroke 7.3L. Launched in the late 90s, the Ford Powerstroke 7.3L stood out in the market for its impressive reliability. This engine has become a legend among diesel enthusiasts, winning the hearts of many motorists. Equipped with direct injection, the 7.3L is the definition of exceptional torque delivery. Its brute strength guarantees powerful starts, making it perfect for those who do not compromise on performance and resistance on the roads. Surprisingly, many drivers report that these engines succeed an incredible 800,000 kilometers with minimal maintenance. It's almost as if they don't know what the word wear is. It's no wonder that many consider the 7.3L to be one of the best diesel engines ever made. He is often remembered fondly as a true titan among machines, who continues to enchant new generations. At number 16, Isuzu for JB1. The Isuzu for JB1, produced since the 1980s, is acclaimed for its impressive durability, making it the choice of many drivers seeking long-term reliability. This engine is not just a piece of engineering, it is a true symbol of resistance. With a simple and efficient design, the Isuzu for JB1 features high-quality components that help minimize failures. This simplicity is what makes this engine a legend among diesel lovers, always ready for the challenge. The Ford JB1's reputation is so solid that many users report that it can exceed 500,000 kilometers with daily use. It is a truly indestructible machine, far beyond what many other engines can offer. This engine is versatile and is used in a variety of applications, from school buses to agricultural vehicles. The Isuzu for JB1 has proven that it can face any challenge on the road, connecting with drivers from different sectors. At number 15, Mitsubishi 4M40. The Mitsubishi 4M40 is a 2.8L engine that has stood the test of time since the 1990s. Its excellent durability has made it a trusted choice for many discerning drivers. Built with a robust iron base and aluminum cylinder heads, the 4M40 stands out for its fuel consumption efficiency, balancing power and economy admirably. Incredibly, drivers often manage to exceed an impressive 600,000 kilometers before needing to consider a replacement. It's a true source of engineering pride. This engine is widely praised for its incredible performance in difficult terrain, making it the hero of off-road adventures. Wouldn't you like to have this monster under your hood? At number 14, Volkswagen TDI. Famous since the 90s, Volkswagen's TDI diesel engine has won the hearts of drivers with its extremely high efficiency. This mechanical heart is not only reliable, but also a legend on the roads. Equipped with a turbocharged engine, the TDI offers power delivery so smooth it feels like you're driving on clouds. It's the perfect combination of strength and comfort for any engine lover. And the best, with proper maintenance, this engine can easily last more than 500,000 km. Think about it, a solid mechanical friend that takes you where your heart desires, without any glitches along the way. Additionally, many TDI models are modified for superior performance and efficiency. It is common to see these engines being improved in search of a performance that impresses even the most demanding speed enthusiasts. At number 13, Peugeot XUD. The Peugeot XUD is not just an engine, it is a true legend that has been present in several models since the 80s. Its fame is built on a robustness that has won over drivers around the world. Have you ever driven one of them? With its simple construction, the XUD is one of the easiest engines to maintain. This is a huge attraction for those who like tinkering with engines. Imagine changing an oil and knowing that you are preserving an icon of mechanics. Did you know that there are reports of XUDs that lasted more than 600,000 km? That's right, they stand out for their resistance, making them true travel partners over long distances. What engine do you know that beats this brand? The Peugeot XUD is famous for its ability to run on bio. This not only makes it efficient but also environmentally friendly. Who knew a classic engine could be at the forefront of sustainability? At number 12, Land Rover TD5. The Land Rover TD5, introduced in the late 90s, is a true trail icon. With its impressive off-road capabilities, it wins over adventure lovers at every turn, proving to be an ideal partner on any terrain. This turbocharged 5-cylinder engine is designed to last. Its robust design is not only incredible for performance, but also stands the test of time, exceeding the expectations of many drivers looking for durability and reliability. Many drivers claim that the TD5 easily reaches the impressive 400,000 kilometers mark. Imagine yourself an engine that not only works hard, but also offers longevity worthy of respect. This is what we call real mechanics. Despite some electronics issues that may arise along the way, the Land Rover TD5's mechanics are generally solid. He's like an old friend, full of stories and some quirks, but always ready for the road. At number 11, Navistar DD466. The Navistar DT466 is a true legend in the world of engines. Part of the Navistar portfolio, this engine is widely used in commercial vehicles, proving its durability and reliability on roads across the country. It's as if every component was forged to stand the test of time and the most challenging roads. And did you know that this engine can run more than 1 million kilometers in commercial use? That's right, it's as if the DT466 has a resistance capacity that puts many competitors on the canvas. Additionally, custom configurations are common in your business applications. This means that each driver can tailor the engine to their needs, making it even more versatile and valuable in the right hands. At number 10, Dodge Cummins 5.9L. The Dodge Cummins 5.9L, integrated into pickup trucks since 1989, has won over drivers with its impressive power. Many consider it the best diesel engine, loved for causing fewer headaches and delivering robust performance in any situation. Built with a resistant iron block and equipped with a high-pressure injection system, the Cummins 5.9L stands out for its durability. This engine is a true fortress, capable of withstanding harsh conditions without failing. Surprisingly, many drivers overcome the 800,000 kilometers mark with this engine. That's right, it is so reliable that it has become a symbol of longevity on the roads, proving its worth in real life. Enthusiasts often modify the Cummins 5.9L to further improve performance. In competitions, he shines. With a solid foundation, this engine transforms into a ferocious machine, leaving rivals in the dust. At number 9, Hino EK1. The Hino EK100, used in heavy trucks since the 2000s, is a true warrior on the roads. It has faced the most challenging conditions and always stood out, proving that it was built to last and take a beating. With a 4-cylinder design, the Hino EK100 is a champion in fuel efficiency. Ideal for long journeys, it ensures that drivers reach their destination without spending a fortune on diesel. This engine reliably reaches an impressive 700,000 km. Yes, you heard right. The robustness and solid construction of the Hino EK100 have made it a legend among truck drivers who use it. Although an icon in Japan, the Hino EK10 is rarely seen outside its borders. This makes it a true hidden treasure, known only to those who appreciate reliable and long-lasting engines. At number 8, Renault. Imagine an engine that, since the 90s, has established itself as a true armor for heavy trucks. The Renault Motor G is just that, a masterpiece of robustness, designed to tackle the toughest roads. With variations ranging from 250 to an impressive 300 horsepower, this engine is a true workhorse. Perfect for those who need strength and reliability on every long, heavy trip. It doesn't disappoint. Want to know a secret? With proper maintenance, these engines are so durable that many exceed the 600,000 kilometers mark. That's what we call longevity in style. Would you dare to test it? In Europe, the Renault Motor G is the favorite engine in large vehicles. No wonder it won the hearts of drivers. If it can handle the bump there, imagine what it would do on us roads. At number 7, John Deere PowerTech is a high-tech engine that has been featured in tractors and heavy machinery since 1998, revolutionizing the way we work in the field. With a turbocharger and intercooler designed to last, this engine promises power and efficiency. It is a true testament to modern engineering that stands out in any setting. User reports are impressive. Many of these engines reach an impressive 5,000 hours of operation. It's like they just don't know what it's like to fail. It's no wonder John Deere PowerTech is so loved among farmers. Its reliability in daily tasks makes it a true ally in the field, where time is money. At number 6, Scania DC16. Manufactured since the late 1990s, the Scania DC16 is not just an engine, it's a legend. With its rugged durability, this behemoth impresses the industry and continues to be a reliable choice for those who take cargo seriously. With 16 liters of pure power, the DC16 is the perfect choice for heavy transport. It not only holds the weight, but does so with superior performance, ideal for those who need to transport huge loads over long distances. Did you know that many Scania DC16 engines have a history of up to an impressive 1 million kilometers? That's right, these huge engines have more stories and adventures than most truck drivers dream of experiencing. If you're taking on long roads, the DC16 is a true partner. With its low fuel consumption, it helps save money while many drivers are still dealing with the pain at the pump. At number 5, Cat C15. The Cat C15 has become one of the most popular engines in heavy trucks since the 1990s. It has stood out among drivers who value power and durability, earning a respected place on the roads. With an impressive 435 to 600 horsepower, the C15 delivers exceptional performance, ensuring you never let yourself down. These numbers have a real impact when it comes to tackling the steepest climbs. Drivers often report that the C15 exceeds the 1 million kilometers mark. This is more than just a statistic. It is a testament to its strength and reliability. He's not just an engine, he's a true warrior. Its distinctive roar is unmistakable, and the engineering quality is admired by all. No wonder he became a legend in the world of diesel engines. Who wouldn't want to drive one that sounds this good? At number 4, Mack MP8. The Mack MP8 was created to meet the challenges of heavy transport. With a legacy that endures, this engine has established itself as a reliable choice among drivers who need performance and durability. With a robust design, the MP8 not only handles the pressure, but also delivers impressive fuel efficiency, making it an efficient machine for long distances and heavy loads. One of the impressive feats of the MP8 is that many of its engines achieve an impressive 1,500,000 kilometers with proper maintenance, proof that this engine is built to last. The Mack MP8's high torque is often praised. With brute force that guarantees power on climbs and when loading, it has become a real winner on the roads. Now, we come to our top 3 on our list. Volvo D13. The Volvo D13 is the champion of Class 8 trucks, synonymous with reliability and economy. This is an engine that has gained respect on the roads, becoming the preferred choice of many discerning truck drivers. With a lightweight aerodynamic design, the D13 is optimized for efficiency. This means less fuel spent and more time on the road. Did you know that a more efficient truck can save you thousands per year? Around 90% of D13 models are still running after an impressive 1 million km. Imagine the durability. This is more than just an engine. It's a living legend that continues to defy time. On top of that, the D13 can use alternative fuel options. This makes it not only reliable but also more sustainable. Would you believe that an engine can be so strong and environmentally friendly at the same time? At number 2, Freightliner Cascadia DD16. The Freightliner Cascadia DD16 is not just an engine, it's a revolution in the trucking industry. Since it was launched, it has raised standards in performance, reliability, and durability. There is no denying its impact. Equipped with electronic injection, the DD16 offers exceptional performance and economy that makes you smile at the pump. It's the perfect choice for those looking for control and efficiency, even on the most challenging roads. Just imagine, many drivers report that the DD16 has managed to travel more than 1 million kilometers. It's incredible to think that this engine can be your road companion for so long, showing its robustness with every kilometer. Tested tirelessly, the Freightliner DD16 has become one of the most reliable engines on the road. Its resistance is recognized, and this makes it a true icon, capable of withstanding the challenges that only trucks face. And now, first on our list, Cummins 6.7L Turbo Diesel. The Cummins 6.7L Turbo Diesel is considered the king of durability, earning a legendary reputation since its debut. It's the engine you want by your side on any adventure, unmatched in the reliability it offers. With advanced injection technology, the Cummins has 6 cylinders in line, ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery. It combines raw power with a driving experience that leaves any enthusiast feeling electric. Documented with over 520,000 miles, this engine is virtually indestructible. Impressive, right? It's as if this giant is saying, "Challenge me," and remained firm after each challenge. Used in pickup trucks, heavy-duty trucks and more, Cummins has created a vibrant community of enthusiasts. This is a true community of engine lovers, where everyone shares stories of their adventures with this monster of durability. So, guys, which of these engines is your favorite? Or do you know of any other engines that should be on this list? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any news.